Rice Krispie Christmas Wreath Cookies are so festive looking. We'll be using a traditional Rice Krispie recipe. You'll find the recipe in the post. So I've melted my butter and my marshmallows, and I'm going to add the green food coloring to this generously so it's a dark green color. Then I add in the Rice Krispies cereal and stir it all up. So I've greased some muffin cups, and I also put a little bit of Pam on my hands so that I can handle it easily. Put a little bit in each cup, about half full. I use the end of a wooden spoon handle, and I poke the handle down in the center to make the center part of the wreath. This is a really fast way to do it. You can mold them by hand too, but I think that this works really well. Then you can decorate with either sprinkles or red hots. Red hots are my favorite. They look like holly. You just poke them down in there so they will stay when the cookie sets. Look how pretty those look even in the pan. Just wait until I show them to you when they're served up on a plate. I also wanted to try putting some in my donut tins. Let's see if that works. These cookies would be a little bit bigger, but boy, look how easy that is. The grands really love decorating them at the end. Boom, we're done. Rice Krispie Christmas Wreath Cookies are fast and easy to make. Boy, are they good. Merry Christmas from WelcomeToNanas.com.